Hello guys, welcome back to another paper of April 2019. This is paper 2. You can use calculator in this paper. So other material you can use is protractor and tracing paper. So instructions you know already. You can just have a screenshot of this, then you can read it afterwards. So before we start, I'll request you guys to subscribe to my channel to get more videos. So let's start. So question 1, draw an arrow to show the position of the number 340 on the number line. We are given this number line here. So initial point is 100 and this is 500. So we can see this is 200, this will be 300 and this is 400. So we need to put 340. So if you see here 340, so in the middle of 300 and 400 it will be 350. So our 340 will be below 350. So this is where we can put arrow on the number line. Right. Now question number 2. In a fun run, adults wear odd numbers and children wear even numbers. Write whether each number belongs to an adult or a child. So we are given some numbers here. So we need to write down adult or child. One of these. One has been done for you. Like 426, it's a child. As we are told, like odd numbers, adults wear odd numbers and children wear even numbers. So wherever you see even number, it's a children. So 371, this is one here, this is odd number. So we will write down here adult. Okay, 469, this is again odd number. So this is odd, this is odd. So this will be adult and this is even. So this should be a child and this is also even. So this is also child. Okay, let's move to next question. Number 3. You can see this number 3 we are given circle represents a number, star represents a different number. So we are given this equation here. You can see we have 3 circles equals to 15. So that means one circle should be 5. So this is 5, 5 and 5, which is 15. So that means the value of circle is 5. So we can write down here 5. This we have to complete this statement here. So then we have 4 stars is equal to 24. So 24 divided by 4 gives you 6. So that means one star is represents 6, right? So one star's value is 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 5 it is 17. So our final answer will be 17. Okay. Let's move to next question. Now question 4. Draw a line of symmetry in each of these shapes. So line of symmetry should be a line in middle that divides into 2 same parts. So one line of symmetry it will be here. Okay, here you can have this one here in the middle. So you see this one here from this way. Okay. So he asked us only one line of symmetry, so we will just draw a 1, or even you can draw 2 if it is possible. So in this case we have another line of symmetry here. You can even draw the other one. Question number 5. 3 friends share a pack of 50 pens equally. So how much pen will be left over? So we need to divide 50 by 3. So then we see what is the remainder. So when you divide 50 by 3, so let's see, 3 times 1 it is 3. So then you have 2 here, drop down 0, 3 times 6, it is 18 minus 2. So remainder is 2. So how many pens are remaining? There are 2 pens remaining. Number 6, Lily makes $6.35 using 5-cent coins. How many 5-cent coins does she need? So we need to convert this first into the cents. So 6.35 times 100. So this will be 635. 2 zeros will come here. Then there is decimal place. So it will go. So we have how many cents? We have 635 cents. Right? Now how many 5-cent coins does she need? So how many 5 cents are needed to make 635 cents? So we again will divide this 635 divided by 5. It will give you 5 times 2, it is 10, 3, and then drop down 5 times 7, it is 35. So our final answer is 127. As this is a calculator paper, you can use calculator. I'm just doing without calculator this one. So all the calculations you can do with the calculator. Question number 7. The diagram shows a calculator and a pencil case placed next to a ruler. So we have this ruler here, this is calculator and this is pencil case. Use the scale on the ruler. We need to use this scale on the ruler here to complete the sentences. The calculator is dash centimeters long. So if you see the calculator, how many? It is placed in the middle. It is not starting from 0. So it's here. This is 5 and this is 17. So from 17 minus 5. So 17 minus 5, it is 12. So it will be 12 centimeter long. So in this gap we will write down 12. Part B, the pencil case is dash centimeter longer than calculator. So we need to compare the length of pencil and the calculator. So we already know that calculator is now 12 centimeter. So let's say how much is the pencil case. So pencil case, it is here. If you see, we go down here, this is 3 and this side we have, it is 22. So the pencil case is 22 minus 3, which is 19 centimeters long. Okay, but we need to see how much longer is the pencil case. So longer than the calculator. So we are going to do here 19 minus this 12 from here. 19 minus 12, which is 7. So it will be 7 centimeters. Alright. Now, number 8. Carlos wants to calculate this multiplication manually. So this is the multiplication, 6 times 5 times 8 times 2. He says this will be the same as 48 times 10. Explain how he knows. Now you know that this is multiplication. Multiplication can be in any order. We can use any order to multiply. So what he has done 6 times 8 and 5 times 2. 6 times 8 gives you 48 and 5 times 2 gives you 10. So how he knows? Because, can write down, because 6 times 8, it is 48 and 5 times 2, it is 10. So it will be 48 times 10. That's it for this number 8. So let's move to next question. Number 9. Here is a 1 centimeter grid. You have 1 centimeter grid here. Use the dot to make a rectangle with perimeter of 18 centimeter. So that means we need a rectangle like this having 18 centimeters. So you can split, there are many ways. I will show you one. So if let's say this is 6 centimeter, this will also be 6 centimeters. So in total we have now 12 centimeter, which is the length. Okay, now we are looking for the width, and total length and width, it is 18. We are given this is 18. So that means what should remain here, like this one here, it is 18 minus 12. 18 minus 12, this will be 6 centimeter here. And then 6 can be divided into 2, like this length and this length here. This is 3 and this should be 3. Okay, so this we can draw on the grid here anywhere. So 3 centimeter and 3, we are taking 3 centimeter. This is 1, 2, 3, and this side it should be 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to this, like this. So that's it. Question number 10. Here are 4-digit cards. You can see these cards here. Use each card once to make these statements correct. So we need to make these statements correct. So 1 is already given. 1 over something equals to something over 8. So let me try. Let's see, we can put 2 here. So this is 1 over 2. So you know that we need now 8 here. So which is 2 times 4. 4. So that means if we write 2 here, that 4 can go here. So 4 over 8. So this is 1 over 2 and this is 4 over 8. Then they both have value 1 over 2. Now secondly, we are left with 1 and 6 now. So if I write 1 here, 1 over 3, and then 6 here. So when you divide this by 2, you will get here 1 over 6. So both having value 1 over 3. Number 11. Here are some shapes drawn on a coordinate grid. You can see these shapes here. Let's see what's the question. The question is, shape A is translated 2 left and 3 up. Which shape shows the new position? So we need to see which shape is this when you move A. So A is translated 2 left. So you can start from any corner. This one, 2 left. Let's say 1, 2 left, and then 3 up. 3 up is 1, 2, 3. So where we reached to shape C. So final answer will be C here, shape C. Right, now complete this number sentence. Dash times we have this here 391. So there is a number that gives you this 1 at which place? This is units place. So that means we already have 3 here. So then 3 here. So we can have here 7. So 7 times, we need digits here. So 391. So you can just use directly the calculator. If I put 1 here, 17 and 23, it gives you the same value as 391. Okay, so number 13. 6 teams take part in football competition. So the table shows how many games each team wins, draws and loses. So we have teams here, we have the win, draw, lose, then the total points here. So each team scores, the instructions, each team scores 2 points for a win, 1 point for a draw, no points for loss. So complete the points column. So we need to complete this. So we need to know how these points are calculated. So if you see this one here, 2 points to win. So this, it means this, all these are multiplied by 2. Okay, times 2. 1 point to draw. So there is only 1 point. So times 1. So these all should be times 1. No points for loss. So we are not counting this one. So that means we are adding these two. So you see 40 times 2 is 80. 80 plus 3 it is 83. So similarly here 37 times 2 74 plus 5, which is 79. So in this answer we will have 79. Similarly, 39 times 2 plus 5, it gives you 83. So this one is 39 times 2 plus 5. Okay. Now this one will be 33 times 2 plus 4. 66 plus 4, it is 70. So we have completed the points column in the table. Now, which team loses 27 games less than Robridge? 27 less than. So we can easily, you can directly do here, which team than Robridge. You see, we have, where is the Robridge? Robridge, it is 45. 27 less than this. So 45 minus 27, it is 18. So who has 18 point, loses 18 games here? So what name is that? Warham. We will write it down here. I hope you understood this. So let's move to number 14. Write these numbers in order starting with the smallest. So we need to start with the smallest number. So you can see they are in different form. This is fraction, decimal, percentage. So first we need to convert all of them into one form. So if I write this one here, this will be 0.3. This is 0.04 already there. This is 0.5. 2% is 0.2. 5% is 0.5. Right. So it's easy if you write them in 2 digits. Like here 0.30. I can write down this 0.04. Then 0.50. This one is 0.20. And this is this is 0.05. This will be 0.05. So which one is here? Which one out of this is the smallest? So this is smallest one here, 0.04. So we need to see if this is our number 1, 0.04. So we will write down here 0.04. After that we have 0.05. This is at number 2. 0.05 is this 5%. So we will write down here 5%. After that we have 0.203. This is 4 and this will be 5. So number 3, 0.20, it is 20%. Right? Then 30 is 3 over 10. Then we have what? 50, which is half. So that's it for this. So question number 15. Here is a picture of a shaded shape drawn on a grid of centimeter squares. What is the area of the shaded shape? So shaded shape is this inside. So how many squares are there? We need to count this one. So we have this one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it is 7 times. Then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 7 times 4, which is 28. So final answer is 24 centimeters squared. This is last question. Sorry, not last question. This is the last question of this video. Number 16. The cost for parking a airport is shown in the table. Price for the first day is 16.60. For every half day afterwards it's 9. So Yuri pays 124.60 to park his car. How many days? We need to count out the number of days does he park the car for. Show your working. So he pays in total 124.6. So minus for the first day. So we will write down the first day he paid 16.60. 00. This is 108. So for next we have for every half day onward afterwards is $9. So for a full day it will be 9 times 2, which is $18. So $18 for full day. Okay, so now we have $108 remaining. Sorry, 108 divided by 18. Okay, so this is equal to 6. So this is the cost for 6 days. Okay, now 6 days are here plus first day. So 6 plus 1. So total number of days will be 7 days he parked. Okay, so that's the first part. I will do the remaining question in the second video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends and tell me if there is anything you need further explanation. I will try to explain. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.